Hi guys, welcome to CodeMine. Carry here. So let's start with the next topic, that is a version history, right? If I go into the file menu, right, so then I see a option version history. If I click on version history, I have a several option. So we will cover this topic in this video. So before starting this video, I just want to request the new viewer or the new user on my channel who are watching this video, please click on the subscribe button below this video, the red button, so that the upcoming videos notification come to you guys directly, right? So hope you guys subscribe my channel. So let's start with the video. So what is the version history? Basically, if I click on to understand the version history, just click on version history and see version history, right? You guys can also use shortcut control plus alt plus shift plus h, right? This is a kind of history. So if I click on see version history, so you guys can see here are automatically date wise subversion. What is that? Like 11 of December my sheet was blank, right? On 11 of December this, and 15th of December I write something here, right? Because from regularly in December month I am using this sheet. So what is happening here, on the date wise automatically Google Docs is creating a version, right? So, and what you guys can do, you guys can also create your own version as well, right? For example, I have done here version 1 and version 2, and there are two things. One thing is Google Doc is automatically creating your backup, or you can say the version, right? Like for example, from regular from 1 month we are working on a Google Doc, right? So on daily basis or weekly basis you guys can create your version, right? In first week, what was the status of your file, what work was done there. On the second week, what work was done there, right? What updates were happened there. So that kind of thing you guys can do, right? For example, I have done here like I want to add something here, right? I think I click on something wrong here, so let me go back. So let's start with that and see. This is, for example, I want to save it as a version. If I go here, click on the version history and name current version, so I name it as a old version, right? This is my old version, and now I just want to write down something here like, hi, I am Carrie, hope you are doing good, right? For example, the previous work which I have done, that old version is a 1 week back, and this is the work which I have done is after 1 week. So I will go into the file and I will click on the version history, name current version, I will click here and write down the new version, right? And save it here. So if again I go into the version history and click on the see version history, right? So you guys can see here now, that is my old version. For example, that work which I have done in like previously, right? So that was the thing which I have done here, right? These are the thing which I have removed into the my old version. Before this thing was written here, and I have added version history option. And what is into the new version? In my new version I have add this thing, right? These are my changes that is highlighted in blue color, right? So hope you guys understand this thing, right? If you guys have any query, you can comment into the comment box, right? And what is the another benefit of this thing? Into the old version, you guys can click here into the option, you have a restore this version, right? Or rename this version, remove name, right? Or make a copy, means you can also save as the work you have done till the last week, right? So hope you guys understand this topic, and if you guys have any query, question, just comment into the comment box, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel, and share with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.